Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our another video. Hope you guys are doing well wherever you're watching right now. So today we have here the 1981 Corvette. So we'll be tinting this gorgeous vehicle right here. So I'll be using 20% ceramic on this one. So on this video, I'm gonna show you on how to tackle this back window. So in this Corvette in particular, on this year from 1979 to 81, I believe, you don't really need intense shrink on this back glass. They look really intimidating. They look intense, but doesn't really need intensive shrinking. So on this video, I'll be showing you on how to tackle this back glass. So as you've seen right here, I'm just gonna do my partial cut. So I'm just gonna stay away from the frame. I'm just gonna cut it right to the edge of the glass. So I'm just gonna hard cut the side and push all the fingers in the middle. And then this sides right here, just gonna lay it down flat. So kind of massage the film, push it down all the way to the middle, and after this, I'm gonna shrink it in the middle. So it's pretty easy glass to shrink. It's only maybe 3 minutes shrink. And then the only hard part on this glass is to install when you install the film. And you really have to roll down there, put down the seat and roll under there. If you're a big guy, it's really like intense. Even so, skinny guy like me, it's butter. Okay, hope you folks enjoy our video for today. If this is your first time to our channel, I personally welcome you to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome to our another video, and thank you for your time. Alright folks, so we're done shrinking. So it's pretty easy, right? Straightforward, no shrinking on the side. It's just the middle part, top and bottom. It's pretty easy. So when you release the tension on the side, everything just goes down flat. Right now we'll be cutting the film. So I'm gonna show you a technique of how to cut the film. So on this glass in particular, cut the film, don't cut it right onto the borders. When you cut it, make sure leave a 2 millimeters gap from the borders, away from the borders. So the reason of that, when you install the film, you don't have, the film will not overhang to the inside, because this one right here has a defogger on it. Cut it right onto the border, it's going to overhang in the inside and it will be shooting out dirt, and yeah, it's going to look ugly. The finished product is going to be ugly when you have that dirt in there. So make sure you leave 2 millimeters gap from the burrs during the cutting. So when you install it in the inside, it's pretty much bang on into the edge. So it will close. Don't worry about the gaps. It will close when you install it in the inside. So yeah, after this, we're just gonna install it and call it a day. We're good. So installation process, I'm just gonna skip it from there. It's pretty much same process. Only one technique. Make sure clean, and you're good. Right, thank you everyone for watching, and if this is your first time to our channel, welcome to the channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you again for your time. Thank you for watching our video. Bye for now, and hope to see you on our next video, and may the Lord keeps you and bless you. Bye. Have a good